how to connect Apple Airpods to with an HP laptop Windows 10. And let's get started. So first, let's go to the bottom left section of your screen where the startup menu is. You'll click there one time. And when you click on that, you will see an option that says settings right there. Click on that. And as you click on that, there will be a window that opens up which will say Windows Settings, that looks just like this, and you'll go to where it says Devices right there. So click on that, and you'll be taken to a section that looks like this. You'll see an on and off Bluetooth switch. So turn that on by clicking on it. So click on it one time. And that's going to enable the Bluetooth settings for your laptop. Next up, click on the top section where it says Add Bluetooth. Then you'll see this black window opens up. Go ahead and select the Bluetooth option, which is the first option. And as you click on that, you'll notice it will start searching for nearby devices. There is these 3 or 6 dots going across to the top. And while it's doing that, on your AirPods 2, open up the case lid, and there's this button on the back of the case right there, that button there. You're going to hold that down and remain holding it down until you see a white blinking light. It's going to be like a soft white blinking light. So hold it down, and when you see that, just let it go. You'll see that there, the white blinking light. And just pay attention to your screen where it is searching for nearby devices until you see AirPods. Okay, so it's going to show up as a headphone in some cases. So it's going to show up as headphones. And then as you click on it, it will appear as AirPods. And then it's going to start connecting. It will show you that it's connecting. And in some cases, for some of us, you will see this message that pops up to the bottom right of our screen saying that we are setting up the device, and wait for it to say your device is ready to use. And once that happens, click on done. You can pay attention to where it says audio right underneath the Bluetooth switch, which means that's the current device as your audio output. And then it's connected to that device. Also, you can check in the volume icon section to the bottom right, and you can toggle the volume. Or you can click here and you can switch between your laptop speakers or the AirPods as the audio output device. And of course, as always, if this guide was helpful, do like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you are new to my channel, and thanks for watching.